Hi, my name is Lee, not Jeda. Most people today get allowance once a month or once a week. If I get 20,000 won, I would like to do things. First, I would like to buy Lotto. This is because it is cheap, and for 8,105,060 per possibility, I can get very, very rich. It is the most hard thing to do, but I still want to do it. I think it is fun and takes only 7 days. Secondly, I want to buy a book about science, except about natural science. Science are more fun than math and English and other things. And if I read books, I can learn more quickly and easily. I like game more, but it is too expensive, and book is fun too. Also, book can last for some times. In conclusion, if I get 20,000 won and I have to spend it before 1 week, I would like to buy a book and Lotto.